Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to encrypt files with Cryptomator step by step. A Cryptomator automatically encrypts your files before they're stored, making it a secure way to protect sensitive documents, photos, videos, and other data in cloud storage. So let's get started. First, open Cryptomator on your Windows PC, Mac, or Linux computer. If you haven't created a vault yet, click Create New Vault, choose a location, and set a strong password. If you already have a vault, simply select it and click Unlock. Next, enter your vault password and unlock it. Once it's unlocked, Cryptomator will mount the vault as a virtual drive or open it as a folder that behaves like any other folder on your computer. Now open the mounted vault using File Explorer on Windows, Finder on macOS, or your preferred file manager on Linux. Simply drag and drop the files or folders you want to protect into the unlocked vault. You can also copy, paste, or save files directly into the vault from your applications. As soon as the files are placed inside the vault, Cryptomator automatically encrypts them in the background. You don't need to click an extra Encrypt button because the encryption happens automatically while you work. After you've finished adding or editing your files, save any open documents and return to the Cryptomator app. Click Lock Vault to close the virtual drive and secure all of your encrypted data. The encrypted files will remain safely stored and can only be accessed again by unlocking the vault with the correct password. And that's it. You now know how to encrypt files with Cryptomator and securely protect your data before storing or syncing it with your favorite cloud storage service. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next